block dates on Airbnb. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how you can block the dates you don't want to rent out in your Airbnb listing. Before we get started, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here, I create various tutorials to make things easier for you. So guys, there are already several Airbnb videos on this channel. If you have any doubts or want to learn more, I'll leave a playlist in the card that can help you out. In this video, you'll learn how to block dates that you don't want to rent out on Airbnb. Alright guys, I'm already here on the Airbnb app, and I'll be doing the entire process on my phone. Here in the app, you're going to click on the menu at the bottom. In the menu, you'll see the listings you have registered. I only have one listing, so I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on Booking Settings, located next to the listing. So we're going to access the calendar and choose the days that you don't want to rent out. Let's click here on Access Calendar. Here you'll select the days you don't want to rent out. The configuration for a single day will appear. Just click on the X at the top to access the full calendar view. Leo, I don't want to rent in December because I'm going to spend Christmas at this property. How do I do that? So you'll choose here, for example, in December the 24th and 25th. These days will not be available for rental. What do? Select the days. I'm going to select more than one day, so I press and select the days that I don't want. I chose the 24th and 25th, and the available option will appear here. So those days are still showing as available. To block them, I'm going to click here on the side, Block Night. So you'll notice that these days will have dashes on the date, indicating that they're unavailable, and they'll also be grayed out, showing that those days are unavailable for scheduling. Leo, I wanted to select more than 1 week. Is that possible? It's possible, guys, but only if you select every week that you don't want, and repeat the same process. To block off nights and make these dates unavailable, just click on Block Night. These days will then have a dash on the date, and they'll also be grayed out, showing that they are unavailable in your calendar. Leo, I changed my mind. I want to make these days available again. How do I do that? In that case, you'll select the days you want and click on Make Night Available. Then those days will become available once again. That's it, folks. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Take care. God bless. Thanks, everyone. God bless.